Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Today we are going to review Don't Bother Expert Advisor, which we have been trading from last 15 weeks. And before that also we traded with this expert advisor on a certain different settings. So let's discuss about a couple of features which Don't Bother Forex EA possess. First is tailored risk setting. That means you can customize your risk level with high risk, medium risk, low risk, significant risk, calculated risk, and all. There are many risk options where you have just to choose the risk level, what kind of person or the personality you have. You can choose your risk level, your trading, your rules. Then, if you would like to customize it according to your need, then you can choose the dynamic lot option where you can choose either the expert advisor should trade on a fixed lot size or just let your lot size adapt based on the capital. Okay. Or simply set it just to auto adjust according to the chosen risk level. If you have chosen the risk level, it will manage the equity or the lot size accordingly. You can also personalize your deposit, personalized deposit load if you would like to. And there is a total lot control. As I said, you can either choose the fixed lot size or you can also uh, customize it based on like the maximum lot size that you would like to use. Okay. So there is a drawdown management, there is a drawdown control function which prioritize prudent risk management for stability. It has an advanced news filter which is already integrated, which can seamlessly integrate. You can seamlessly integrate your MetaTrader 4 with the expert advisor using this news filter to stay ahead of market moving news. If you would like to use the martingale feature or the hedging feature, that is optional. You can either choose or you don't choose. And grid, it does use a grid, but that is not like a simple grid. Okay, this is a very advanced level kind of grid that is based on the risk management. Okay, so these are just couple of functions that this expert advisor has, couple of features. And if you think that the settings are too complex or choosing what, like, then just to choose a risk level, suitable risk level, what kind of personality and what kind of risk appetite you have, and let the EA manage the trades for you. Okay, so let's go to don't bother again. Okay, so we completed 15 weeks today. Today is 1st of March. Okay, we started trading on this account on 13th of November with 1000. This is the minimum requirement, and the leverage requirement is 200 and above. Okay, I think we are using 500. That is very normal. Okay, so let's start from here. So one feature I forgot to mention, that it is one chart installation. You just have to install it on just one chart, and this EA will automatically trade on three currency pairs together. It is not that it will be opening trades on all the three currency pairs together, but yes, there are many filters and many advanced features and conditions which are required to meet once before it opens any other trade. Okay. So that's it. So we made a profit of 118.73 in last 15 weeks. And here are the running trades. There are just two running trades right now. And this one we are trading on significant risk. Okay. That is calculated risk, we say. Okay. So let's go to the another one where we are trading with the lower risk. This is another account. Okay. So here we have chosen the low risk. Okay. So here we made almost similar kind of profit, like 118.75 here. And similarly, like there are two running trades right now. There is not much difference about the profitability in both at this moment, but yes, in long term, probably it might make a bit of difference. Okay, because in the significant risk, you are allowing the expert advisor to use the optimal risk size based on the risk level. I mean, you are letting the EA decide what kind of risk level that you should choose. But in the low risk, you are using specifically like low risk, right? Okay, so you like to explore the MyFX book also. So just hold on for a second, please. Here is the calculated risk one. Okay, you can see the growth chart, you can see the balance chart, you can see the profit chart, and you can see the drawdown chart also. Okay, so based on this, it is creating like daily 0.10, monthly 3.15, and the maximum drawdown that went is up to 2.94% so far in last 15 weeks. Okay, so you can see this year we made 5.58%. Okay, and in 2023, in November we made 2.46, in December we made 3.42, in January made 2.82, and in February we made 2.68, and today is 1st of March, so it has just started. Okay, and similarly for the low risk one, I think that would be almost same. Okay, this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Similarly, daily 0.10, monthly is 3.15%, and drawdown is 2.31%. I think in the earlier one it was some 3 point something, right? It was 2.94. Okay, 2.94, it is 2.31 over here. Okay, so this year we made 5.72, and similarly in January we made 2.9%, and in February we made 2.74%. In November we made 2.33%. In December we made 3.42%. Okay, so here are the statistics of 15 weeks of trading with this automated expert advisor. Don't bother EA. If you have any question about this expert advisor, feel free to contact me over email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the details in the video description. Okay, feel free to contact me and enjoy your weekend. And you are free to explore our YouTube channel and find other expert advisor videos as well. And if you have any question about any of those expert advisor or this expert advisor, feel free to contact me. And there is a Telegram channel, a link there is in the video description. Kindly join that Telegram channel. That will help us, or that will help you to get some more information about the expert advisor and our other initiatives. There are two Telegram channels. One is for specific for the expert advisor that we uploaded on YouTube, and one is a very general expert advisor, a very general Telegram channel where we used to post a couple of information, including the expert advisor on YouTube, and some couple of free expert advisor that we used to provide every month. There are a few other information, so you can just explore, and please join those Telegram channels. Thank you very much, guys, and have a wonderful weekend.